Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Hitesh Insight. So you think making 10k dollar a month from Pinterest is just a dream? Well, let me tell you, it's not only possible, it's actually much easier than you think. Stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to share 5 super easy ways to make that kind of money using Pinterest. Trust me, you will want to watch it till the end because one of these methods could completely change how you see Pinterest. Let's start with something that's super simple. Pinterest affiliate marketing. आपको बस अपने niche के relevant product खोजने होते हैं. For example, if you are interested in fitness, health supplement or workout gear can be your target. You create beautiful eye-catching pin and link them to affiliate product. Now, here is the best part. When someone click on your pin and buy the product, you get a commission. Just think about that. One click can earn you money or sub-organic. You don't need to spend money on ads for this. Pinterest is already doing the work for you. And the crazy part is, you can keep earning passive income while you sleep. Imagine waking up to sales from your pins every single day. Isn't that awesome? Next up, selling your own product through Pinterest. अगर आपके पास डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट है like an ebook and online courses or even printables, Pinterest is perfect for promoting them. Create stunning pin showcasing your product and link them to your shop or website. And guess what? Pinterest has over 450 million users. That's a huge audience for your product. Think about it. आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को एक मैसिव टारगेट ऑडियंस तक पहुंचा रहे हैं और Pinterest के एल्गोरिदम आपको मदद कर रहे हैं. सो यहाँ एक सरप्राइज है. यू कैन सेल दिस प्रोडक्ट ऑन ऑटो पायलट. वंस यू पिन आर अप एंड रनिंग, Pinterest keeps working 24/7 to get you traffic, which means more sales. Okay, let's talk about Pinterest ad. Now this is where things get interesting. Pinterest ads allow you to get your pins in front of an even bigger target audience. आप अपने pins को प्रमोट कर सकते हो तो the right people who are actively looking for content like yours. Imagine this. You create a stunning ads, target the right audience, and suddenly thousands of people are clicking on your pins. Sound amazing, right? But the real magic happens when your pins start getting clicks and sales without lifting a finger after that. Pinterest ads aren't just an expense, they are an investment that can bring back 2 to 3x what you spend. आपने कभी सोचा था कि Pinterest ad इतना इफेक्टिव हो सकता है? Now, if you are a blogger, Pinterest is hand down one of the best traffic source. You can create amazing pins for your blog post and link them directly to your articles. And trust me, Pinterest is all about visual appeal. So make your pin as eye-catching as possible. Here is the kicker. Once you start driving traffic to your blog, you can monetize it in so many ways. Affiliate marketing, sponsor post, ads, and even selling your own service. Imagine this. Pinterest driving thousands of visitors to your blog every day, and every visitor equal a potential sale or leads. Are you ready to see your traffic explode? Because with Pinterest, it's totally possible. Believe me, this method is a game changer. Now, here's the real gold mine. Offering Pinterest consulting और coaching. अगर आपने Pinterest पर काफ़ी ग्रोथ देखा है और आपके एक्सपीरियंस सॉलिड है, you can start offering your service to others who want to grow on platform. Business blogger or influencer are willing to pay for expert help, and guess what? You already have the skill. You can charge a premium for Pinterest strategy, optimize their account and help them grow while earning big money in return. So think about it. Instead of just using Pinterest for yourself, why not make money by helping others succeed? You can literally turn your experience into a full-time business. So there you have it. 5 easy best powerful ways to start earning 10k dollar a month on Pinterest. If any of these method sounds like something you are like to try, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Now I want to know from you, which method are you most excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. I will replying to all your comment, so feel free to ask me any question you have. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, Pinterest isn't just a platform for inspiration, it's a money making machine. Start applying this method today and turn your passion into profit. I will catch you in the next video where we will dive deeper into Pinterest strategy to help you level up your game. Until then, keep pinning and keep winning. Take care and good luck on your Pinterest journey.